Hi, I'd like to talk to you about adult stem cells and muscle repair. First of all, adult stem cells. Adult stem cells are the stem cells that are found in your own bone marrow. It is these cells that constitute your body's own repair system. And the more stem cells you have in circulation, the more repair your body can do. And of course, the more repair your body does on a day-to-day basis, the healthier you are. So let's have a look at how stem cells work in the body. Every cell in your body has a limited lifespan. Some cells live for a few days, some for a few weeks or months, and there are some cells that live for a year or so. Now, when these cells get to the end of their life, they send out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases stem cells into circulation, and those stem cells can then migrate into that tissue and turn into brand new healthy cells of that organ or tissue in your body. Now, this is how our body repairs itself and we stay healthy on a day-to-day basis. So let's have a look at how this works with the muscle cells. So we've got muscle cells that are moving our body on our day-to-day activity. If we're going to the gym and lifting weights, we'll lift weights and we'll damage those muscle cells. And they then send out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases stem cells into circulation, and those stem cells will then migrate into the muscle and actually turn into brand new muscle cells. And this is how our body repairs, this is how we become stronger, and this is how our body looks after itself on a day-to-day basis. And we know that if our body is under stress, then our numbers of circulating stem cells declines. Now, this stress, whether it be physical or emotional, through poor sleep, poor diet, too much or even too little exercise, environmental toxins, or stress from work or home, and the aging process itself actually causes the bone marrow to become stickier. And just like as we age, we all know that our muscle tone gets less and less. As we age, the numbers of circulating stem cells gets less and less, and therefore we can't repair and regenerate our muscle the way that we need to in order to stay active. So if we're able to actually increase those circulating stem cells, then our muscles and the rest of our body can repair and regenerate, and we can stay healthy and mobile right throughout our lives. And if we have a muscle injury, our body's able to repair that injury faster. So studies have been shown that bone marrow derived stem cells have the capability of renewing muscle tissue. Now, that was published in the Journal of Science in March of 1998. So we've known that stem cells actually help the repair of muscle tissue on a day-to-day basis. Now, what's interesting is that plant extracts just recently have been researched and published in human clinical studies to show that they don't only support the release, but they can actually increase the release of stem cells from the bone marrow in order to help the body's self-repair. So if you'd like to find out how you can support the natural release of your own stem cells to help your body repair itself through using specific plant extracts, then please go to www.acuman.co.nz.